This is our Spinnaker. The halyard snapped and it's now under our boat. We're gonna have to try to figure out how to get it back in.
We're bringing it on board. All right, let's see if we can pull that around now. All right, let's go. Okay, that's all right.
Good job, guys.
Got the little sail tape. Whoa! Steering. All right, got it? Yep. Let's see if we can get more on.
Shit.
Stop it!
Just hear it just tearing.
It's just going.
Ish.
There. It was such good sailing. And you know the worst part?
What?
That Spinnaker halyard that broke is also our Code Zero halyard.
Oh, man.
That?
How did that break?
I don't know, because I checked it for chafe every single day. It's really jammed on the rudder. Let's try turning the rudder to starboard all the way.
Okay. All the way to starboard.
Got it.
Got it?
Got it.
Nice. Do you want to check the other prop? Is there anything?
Yeah, let me take a look.
Savage. Nice work, guys.
Nice work, Mom. Nice work, Dad.
Good job, team.
Nice work, Luke.
It's teamwork.
So, not only did the sail thing happen, but we have birds just annihilating our boat with turds. And here's one of the culprits.
Hey, get out of here.
Caca!
Oh, he doesn't want to go. Can we get him back?
Ah!
They don't care.
I don't care at all. That bird's like, man, you're weird.
Fortunately, we have more sails.
And
It's
if we
not
did-
the great point of sail that we wanted.
No.
What if we didn't, Dad?
We have engines,
But not enough fuel.
not enough fuel.
That's such a bummer. I checked it for chafe, like every time, like multiple times.
Where
a
did
day.
it break off?
I don't
At the
know yet.
top. It looks like it was at the top.
Do you see any hanging out? That would be glorious.
I
if so.
don't. I see none hanging out.
It's loose in the mast, so I think it broke up top and fell down the mast.